Welcome back to our channel, everyone. In today's video, we'll be talking about a topic that's especially important for students: side hustles. We understand that balancing academics and finances can be challenging, so we've compiled a list of 10 flexible ways for students to earn some extra money. Whether you need to pay off student loans, cover your living expenses, or simply save up for something special, these side hustles can help you achieve your financial goals. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. Hey there, ambitious students! Are you tired of stretching your budget and struggling to make ends meet? Well, we've got the ultimate solution for you. Get ready to discover 10 flexible ways to earn money through side hustles. It's time to level up your financial game and make your bank account smile. Let's dive right in and unlock the secrets to a lucrative side hustle journey. Get ready to turn your spare time into a money-making machine. Number 10. Content writer. As a content writer, you can create written content for various purposes. For example, you could write blog posts for a travel website, product descriptions for an e-commerce store, or social media captions for a digital marketing agency. Being a content writer means mastering the art of storytelling, understanding your target audience, and adapting your writing style to match the tone and goals of the platform or brand you're working with. It's a dynamic and ever-evolving field that requires continuous learning and honing of your craft. The possibilities are endless as a content writer. You have the opportunity to work with diverse clients, industries, and topics, bringing words to life and making an impact through your writing. The power of words can take you places, and as a content writer, you can create written content for various purposes. Want to learn how? Check out the link in the description to master the art of content writing. Number 9. Video editor. As a short-form video editor, you can specialize in editing videos for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. For example, you could edit catchy and visually appealing videos with transitions, effects, and captions for a lifestyle influencer or a brand's social media campaign. If you have a knack for crafting captivating short videos, becoming a short-form video editor might be your calling. Learn the ins and outs of video editing for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts by clicking the link below. As a video editor, you have the opportunity to express your creativity, sharpen your technical skills, and contribute to the success of diverse projects across industries. Your ability to weave together visuals and audio into a cohesive and compelling story is what makes you an invaluable part of the production process. If you have a knack for crafting captivating short videos, becoming a short-form video editor might be your calling. Learn the ins and outs of video editing for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts by clicking the link below. Number 8. Virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, you can provide administrative, organizational, or creative support remotely. For example, you could manage an entrepreneur's calendar, handle email correspondence, research and compile data for a busy executive, or assist with social media management for a small business. As a virtual assistant, you possess strong organizational and communication skills, attention to detail, and the ability to work independently. You excel at multitasking, prioritizing tasks, and delivering high-quality work within deadlines. Your adaptability and willingness to learn new skills ensure you stay relevant in an ever-evolving digital landscape. Embrace the flexibility and freedom that comes with being a virtual assistant. Collaborate with clients from around the world, leverage your expertise, and provide efficient and reliable support to help them achieve their goals. Your contributions as a virtual assistant enable others to focus on what they do best, making you an integral part of their success. Ready to provide valuable virtual support to busy professionals? Discover the skills and techniques required to become an exceptional virtual assistant. Don't forget to check out the link in the description to kickstart your journey. Number 7. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a lucrative side hustle option for students seeking flexible ways to earn money. With this strategy, students can promote products or services on their platforms and earn a commission for every sale or lead they generate. By leveraging their social media presence or personal websites, students can tap into their network and target a specific audience that aligns with the products they promote. Affiliate marketing allows students to earn passive income as they don't have to handle inventory or customer service. With numerous affiliate programs available, students can choose products they are genuinely interested in and create engaging content around them. By investing time and effort into building a solid online presence, Students can leverage affiliate marketing to earn money while balancing their academic commitments. Number 6. Print on demand. With print on demand, you can design and sell customized products without managing inventory. For example, you could create unique designs for t-shirts, hoodies, or phone cases and sell them on platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printful. Turn your creative designs into profit by diving into the world of print on demand. Learn how to sell customized products without the hassle of managing inventory. Click the link in the description to embark on your print on demand adventure. Number 5. YouTube channel. Creating a YouTube channel allows you to share video content on various topics. For example, you could start a channel about cooking, providing recipes, tutorials, and kitchen tips. You can monetize your channel through ads, sponsored content, or merchandise sales. As a YouTube creator, you have the opportunity to build a community, connect with like-minded individuals, and make a positive impact. Engage with your audience through comments, create discussions around your content, and foster a sense of belonging. Your videos can entertain, educate, or even bring comfort to others. Ready to share your passions and expertise with the world? Start your own YouTube channel and make an impact. Click the link below to learn how to create engaging video content and monetize your channel. Number 4. Stock photography. You can sell your high-quality photos online as stock photos for commercial use. For example, you could capture images of landscapes, people, or objects and upload them to stock photography platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Getty Images. Your photography skills can earn you some serious cash. Learn how to sell your high-quality photos online as stock photos. Don't forget to click the link in the description to discover the world of stock photography. Number 3. Drop shipping. Drop shipping is an excellent side hustle option for students looking to earn money flexibly. With this business model, you can sell products online without the need for inventory or shipping logistics. By partnering with a drop shipping supplier, you can list their products on your own website or popular e-commerce platforms. When a customer places an order, the supplier takes care of packaging and shipping the product directly to the customer, while you earn a profit from the price difference between the supplier's wholesale cost and the retail price you set. As a student, drop shipping offers numerous advantages. It requires minimal upfront investment, allowing you to focus on marketing and customer service. You have the freedom to choose the products you want to sell, catering to your interests or niche markets. Moreover, drop shipping allows you to manage your business remotely, giving you the flexibility to balance your studies and work at your convenience. With dedication and strategic marketing, drop shipping can be a lucrative and flexible way for students to earn money and gain valuable entrepreneurial experience. Number 2. Online courses. Online courses have opened up a world of opportunities for students to explore side hustles and earn money while studying. With the flexibility of virtual learning, students can leverage their skills and interests to embark on various money-making ventures. One lucrative option is to create and sell online courses themselves, sharing their expertise with others. Platforms like Udemy and Coursera provide a global reach and potential for substantial earnings. Alternatively, students can also enroll in online courses to enhance their knowledge and acquire new skills, enabling them to offer services as freelancers or consultants. From graphic design to coding, photography to content writing, the possibilities are endless. With dedication and a solid online presence, students can transform their passion and expertise into a rewarding source of income, all while gaining valuable experience and expanding their professional network. Number 1. Surveying. Participating in online surveys or market research studies allows you to provide feedback and opinions for various companies. For example, you could sign up for survey websites like SurveyJunkie or Swagbucks and complete surveys on topics like consumer preferences, advertising, or product testing to earn rewards or cash. Your opinions matter, and they can earn you rewards and cash. Participate in online surveys and market research studies to make some extra money. Click the link below to discover the world of surveying. And there you have it, 10 flexible ways for students to earn money through side hustles. Remember, finding the right side hustle for you might take some trial and error, but with dedication and hard work, you can achieve your financial goals while still managing your studies. Let us know in the comments which side hustle you're most interested in, or if you have any other suggestions to add to our list. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay motivated and keep hustling.